Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we're going to be going over how to warranty your Capri tools. Now, I know some of you have had questions. Wait, warranty? Yes, all of their hand tools have a lifetime warranty, and as I put in my Capri Tools update video, I'll put a link to that up here. I'll go ahead and I'll put a link to it down below as well, with some of the items in the past that I've had to warranty from Capri. Had to do a couple of Torx bits because occasionally you might get one to blow out on you, and I've had snap-on ones do this. Actually, I've had a lot more snap-on bits break on me than the Capri tools. Or, say for instance, impact adapter, for those of you that paid attention, this one broke. Yes, the PT850 air impact versus this guy. This lasted quite a while before I had to warranty it, and it was one of those, was not exactly nice to this one either, so it lasted a lot longer than I thought it was. Good years. It was in the update video as well. Now, bigger question is, what happens if, say, you have a ratcheting wrench that needs warranted as well? Well, there's a number of ways you can go about doing that. Best way is on their Capri Tools website. We'll go over that here in a second, but the only issue I've ever had with one of their wrenches, this has a tooth or two inside that cause it to skip in a very certain spot. Other than that, it gets used. Come on, focus. Focus. So it does get used quite a bit. 13, 10, 17, 18, 19. 10 especially gets used pretty hard too. That one, really been using it. Because of the fact that this was a 6-point wrench and something that I was working on was very stubborn, and I didn't have a room to get a breaker bar or a larger ratchet in there with a socket, I had to slide this in over and do the double wrench method. Got the fastener out, did not damage the fastener. Fastener didn't break, thank God. But no, I stripped out this double wrenching because it was the one choice I had at that point in time in order to complete what I had to get done. Tight quarters on some of these engines and some of these newer trucks is what it is. But in a case such as that, or some of their bits, when it comes to getting them to you, usually about a 2 to 3 business day leeway. As soon as you get a confirmation mail, they will send you a new one, whatever tool it may be. And because you do have to take a picture of it. And then, depending on what it is, they'll also have a return mailer, Q air compressor. So, return mailer, so you don't even have to put a penny on this as soon as you get it. Old wrench goes in. You have a receipt confirmation. You'll tape this back up, put your new sticker on, and drop her off at the U.S. Post Office box, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Their bits, they usually do ask. They did not ask to have this returned. I asked them about this one so I could use it for the video. But this was a T40. So you do need to take a picture with your mobile device, camera, and you do need to upload said picture, and we'll go over that now. Okay, so when you get www.capritools.com uploaded, free ground shipping on all orders, you can earn rewards, you can go to your account, you can go to support, which is what you want right here. Click on support. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit of glare. Okay. Now when you come down here, you'll have three options. You can give them a call, you can send them a message, or you can go to warranty repair. Now, warranty repair, typically you'd get a response back within 1 business day and with a confirmation on how it was done. So their instructions are very easy to follow. One, to submit a claim. Then, yeah, these are, this is pretty much just how they do it. It's always been real easy. So you'll put in your name, PCB 82, last name 82, email, beardedcb 82 at gmail.com. Then you'll go ahead, you'll put in your phone number and then your order number. Now your order number can be like, say, your Amazon order number. Or when you get whatever product that you have, if you have your Capri Tools account set up from ordering tools off of them, every order will come with an order number or reference number, but since this one was warranty, there's no particular order number on it, versus that was my warranty order. Whatever order number you would have, like say 59950 or what have you for down there. So if you already logged into your account, you can go right to that purchase. If you ordered it off of Amazon, right here, Capri Tools, Amazon, Home Depot, all that other stuff. Attach a copy of your sales receipt if you have it. Amazon is pretty easy to take a screenshot and save that to your phone. Product image. This is where you do want to upload a picture of the tool in question. If it's a ratchet, they just want to make sure that, okay, you've got that particular model of ratchet, since they do have a few different models of ratchets. Wrenches, same thing. Hey, in the case of this one, it would be, I take a picture of the ratchet showing that, yes, I still have it in my possession. And because description of issue, if that fell off, or you know, something bent, something broke, that's obvious because it was internal. You'd write down skips when going one way or when going both ways in a certain spot on the internal gears. If you've got a problem with the switch that's on the internal side, you'll put that in there as well. And then the address where they send your replacement, and then you agree with the terms and conditions, hit the asterisk, and it'll tell you their terms and conditions, because they may want something back. And Snap-on is no different, because Snap-on, yeah, when they send you, you get a new one of these, they take your old bit, or if it was a socket, your old socket goes back to the factory for warranty. Same with a wrench. And after you go ahead and you hit the submit button, off it goes. And like I said, typically within 1 business day, that was before the whole COVID stuff went down, you'd have a response back. And within another business day or 2 after you get that, you've usually got your warranty item in the mail. And of course, that's going to depend on where you live. If you live in Alaska or Hawaii, it might take a little longer, but in the lower 48, I mean, I live in the Midwest and they're out in California. Yeah, they do a pretty good job, in some cases faster than Snap-on, on getting you your item. So there it is. It's a very simplistic way that they have theirs set up. There's no jumping through hoops, no going through separate pages, which I've had to deal with on a couple other websites before. Apex. For gear wrench. Yeah, they do pride themselves in getting back to people within a timely manner, and they've got several people that usually work pretty high up on it. But like I said, with all this other stuff that's been going down all across the world, you know, give some people some leeway. I know some people are probably trying to work from home, whoever can, and then there's the people that are you know, still trying to take care of orders. Why? Because tools still got to get shipped out. So any questions, like I showed you guys on here, they have their help menu. You can send them a message, send them an email. I don't know how their call support center is working at the moment, but still said, give us a call. So if you have questions, you can always get a hold of them, and you can get a hold of them on Instagram quite easily as well. Send them a message if you've got any questions on top of that. Hope this answered any questions y'all might have had. And on that note, it's 30:30. So remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And hey, steadfast warranty. Take care.